What is going on, YouTube? My name is Ty, and my blog is xkeen.com. In today's video, there's been an issue going on with Bumped and the wish list or the wait list. The wait list time frame. How long does it take? How long you sign up for Bumped, and how long do you have to wait to actually get the app? Okay, how long do you have to wait? I want to wait list for like past 6, 7 months. How long does it take? So I written a blog post about this as well. So my blog is the xking.com. You can type in, xking.com bumped wait list. I've written a whole article about this, going deeper. So what I done was looked online, high and low, different forums, different websites, to find out how long it take other people to be on the wait list and how long it take them to actually get the app. So here's my results. So first of all, I'll start with their results. Then we'll go with my results. So what I read online is the fastest people to get the app was in after 1 month. Now, most people said 4 to 6 months. A few people I read was over a year. Okay, so I read that. I think the year is the longest I've seen. Like it's been over a year. I still haven't joined. So I think the year is the longest. I believe that Bump rolls out once or twice a year. Okay, that's just my personal opinion because it took me 9 months to get accepted into Bumped or get off the wait list. So I signed up in February, and like no late November I got onto Bumped. So maybe in November is when they roll out. I'm not even sure, but maybe in November. I think November is when because I got an email. I got a day where it's like, congratulations, you can now join Bumped. So I got mine late November. Um, November, October was the months I believe. So one pro that if you enlist now, my link's below the video. If you enlist now, maybe around the same time I got on, they roll out. You get involved with Bumped. Um, but there's my tips are this. Use my link, sign up. The sooner you sign up, the sooner you go on the wait list. That's number one. Number two, it takes a long time. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they have a set date once a year when they released to people to join. So maybe it's once, twice a year. So you don't want to waste it. So stay on the wait list and just you have to wait. Number three, if you look below my video, I have other apps you can use to get cash back on gas and food and stuff like that. So you go ahead, download those apps, use my referral links below, codes, and you get a bonus when you sign up. I get a small commission for that as well. But you use my links below to download other apps as well. So you're getting something back versus waiting all this time. Number four, I would say use Acorns. Acorns is an investment app that pretty much rounds up your spare change to the nearest dollar and invest that change into the stock market. You want to use Acorns with Bumped because if you go to Kroger, I spent $41.83 at Kroger. I got 21 cents back in fractional shares for Kroger, plus that money I spent in Kroger was so the other $3 rounded up to make $42, and that spare change was used to invest in fractional shares. So it's a double whammy. I'm getting fractional shares just by going to Kroger and fractional shares when I go to Kroger. So, and the cashback apps I have below also have um, cashback apps as well. Cashback at Kroger as well. So you could double, nearly triple dip on your cashback stuff. So those are my tips. It's maybe once, twice a year. I got it in November. So if you sign up now, you might get into it in October, November. Not 100% sure, but I believe it was November I got it because I about to uninstall it, and the next day I got invited to go. But there is no time frame. I heard 6 months, 4 months, 9 months. over a year. So some people waited a year to get on. But once you join the waitlist, the bump should be your last day on your mind. You should focus on the other cashback apps as well. And also, one quick tip, one of my loyalties is BP, or you see BP, you see Chevron, ExxonMobil. Well, BP is also on the Get Upside Gas app as well. So if you go ahead and download the Get Upside Gas app and you go to a BP or whatever gas station they deal with in your area, whatever they deal with, make sure it's on Bumped, because initially, once you join Bumped, you already have the Get Upside Gas app. So when you pump your gas, you get fractional shares back for BP. Plus, you get, if you scan your BP receipt, you get cash back on that receipt as well. And the True Now app, also another gas app, you could scan your BP receipt. So really, you could triple dip. You could go to, BP, get gas, you get cash back, you get fractional shares back through Bumped, you get cash back through Get Upside Gas app, and you get cash back through the TrueNet app. And Dunkin' Donuts is even better, because Dunkin' Donuts is on the Bumped app, it's on the Dosh app, it is on the Pay app. So you can triple dip. Let's go on the Dunkin' Donuts. So again, yes, it takes a long time to get into, but it's worth the wait. And get the other apps in lieu of this app. Go ahead and get them. That way, you already set up. Once you're allowed to get Bumped, you add your debit cards to it, and you're good to go. So how long it take to be on a wait list? It took me 9 long months. 9 months. And I read online it took maybe over a year. It took 6 months. It took 4 months. The fastest I've seen was over a month. The fastest I've seen. But that could have been when the app just started and they let people in. Then more and more and more people are on the wait list. It might be longer. So that's why you have to go ahead, sign up now, use my other cashback apps that I recommend, and get started. So that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.